The first function of the skin is its ability to protect the entire body from mechanical damage, chemical damage, thermal damage, radiation, and bacteria. The second function is that it prevents water loss from the body because the uppermost layer of skin is full of hardened keratin, which helps prevent water loss. The third function involves the skin's capillary network and sweat glands, which helps regulate heat loss from the body surface. The skin also gets rid of urea, salts, and water when we sweat. This is all controlled by the nervous system. The fourth function involves the cutaneous sensory receptors, which provide us with information about our external environment. The tiny sensors located in the skin gives us information about touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. The epidermis is composed up of 5 layers, or strata. The deepest cell layer is called the stratum basale, which is connected to the dermis. The stratum spinosum and the stratum glandulosum are the next 2 layers that become flatter and increasingly full of keratin. As cells die, they leave the stratum glandulosum and form the stratum lucidum. The outermost layer is the stratum corneum. It is 20 to 30 cell layers thick and accounts for about 3/4 of the epidermal thickness. These dead skin cells are known to flake off of your body. The dermis consists of 2 major regions, the papillary and the reticular. The papillary layer is the upper dermal region and contains dermal papilla, which furnishes nutrients to the epidermis and houses pain receptors as well as touch receptors. The reticular layer is the deepest skin layer and contains connective tissue fibers, blood vessels, sweat and oil glands, as well as deep pressure receptors called lamellar corpuscles. The stratum basale is the bottom layer of keratinocytes in the epidermis and is responsible for constantly renewing epidermal cells. This layer contains just 1 row of columnar stem cells that divide very frequently. Half of the cells differentiate and move to the next layer to begin the maturation process. The other half stay in the basal layer and divide over and over again to replenish that layer.